To make your Beats Solo headphones sound louder, start by giving them a good clean. Dirt, earwax, and dust can accumulate and clog the mesh and ear cups. So gently wipe them down with a soft, dry cloth. Regular cleaning can make a big difference. Next, check the battery level by pressing and holding the power button until the battery indicator lights up. If the battery is low, consider charging the headphones. Finally, disable any volume restrictions on your device. For Android phones, go to Settings, then Sound and Vibration, select Volume, and turn off the media volume limit. For iOS devices, go to Settings, then Sound and Haptics, select Headphone Safety, and set Reduce Loud Sounds to Off. By following these steps, you should be able to make your Beats Solo headphones sound louder and enjoy a better listening experience.